Good day, this video is going to walk you through how you can design a professional YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube channel. YouTube thumbnail is very important, especially when it comes to YouTube, because it is the one that will determine whether viewers are going to watch your video or not. So without much ado, I'm going to teach you how you can design a professional YouTube thumbnail using CorelDraw software. So the version I'm going to use is CorelX3, and then you can use different version for it, and then if you follow the tutorial you will definitely get it. In fact, if you don't know how to design a graphics and you have this software, yeah, you can definitely know how to do it. Remember to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I teach you how you can do some basic stuff using your computer and your software. So without much ado, let's get started. Launch into your CorelDraw software, and then here it is, and then you are going to click on I'm going to click on Ctrl N for a blank space. If you click on CorelDraw, you definitely see a blank space, something like this. So if you want to design a YouTube thumbnail, there are a size when it comes to YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to show you the size, and then if you want to design on CorelDraw, we have different units, and we have something that inches, we have millimeter, we have point, we have pixel, we have d dot, feet, depending on the kind of project that you want to do. And then when it comes to picture, with it actually deals with pixel like this, pixel. So I'm going to show you the size of a YouTube thumbnail, so that you will not just design and be reducing. You know, if it's too much, YouTube is going to reject it. So here it is, I've already written it down. If it for pixel, it is 2000 by 1125 pixel size. If it is millimeter, is 169.333 by 95.25, and if it is inches, it is 6.667 by 3.75. So let's put it into practice, and then just draw any rectangle tool. It may be big, it may be small. So this is it, and then here you are going to change it. So you know it has been drawn, it has been aligned. So click on this place, so we see that the other side of your screen, and then you are going to change this place to pixel. You see, I click on pixel, and then I'm going to click on this, that is, I have clicked on it, and then I need to change. So it is 2000 by 1125. So I've already clicked on this, and then horizontal is 2000 by 1125. That's 2000. You see, I press on enter, and then I come to this place too, and I click on 1125, and then I click on enter. So this is the size of a professional YouTube thumbnail size. So for confirmation, if you want to click on millimeter and horizontal is 169.33 millimeter, and then I click on it, and then I did not click on it with that. Come to this unit and you change it to millimeter, and you click on this, you will see 169.333 and 95.25, which is definitely right here. And also if you click on inches, 6.67 by 3.75. let's see, maybe we're right. This thing is very important because it makes you to understand CorelDraw better, and that is why I'm taking my time to explain. So I click on inches, and I click on this place. Can you see? So we can actually go back to pixel. So, and then I click on this. So this is the actual size of a YouTube thumbnail. Now the one thing you have to notice is, do not make it bigger here, do not make it big here. If you drag it, let me see, like this, you already spoil the work. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z. If you want to magnify your work, you know it's too small, just click on this zoom tool. I actually put it to this right size because I love putting it here. You will see that your left side, you can, that's the better work of CorelDraw. So you have to zoom like this, can you see, so that you'll be able to see it very well. Now here it is. Yeah, you see what I'm trying to say. So you don't just, and then once you are done, just click on this place back. Now this is what I'm trying to say, and you click on it. Make sure you do not make it big. So what do I want to do? I want to recreate something that is very related to this, because this one is actually is a religious, is my second YouTube channel that I do upload religious content on YouTube. So I'll just create something like this, and then this is a very good thumbnail. So I come back to this place, and then what I actually do here is you can choose from different color palette, from black to blue to light blue to to yellow to what color is this, to red to magenta to purple to this and this. CorelDraw have a lot of colors that you can actually choose. So but if you check this one very well, what I actually use here is a mixture of two color. So it can be this depending on your taste. So what I have to do is I come to this side. It's something they call what is the name of the tool? It is called interactive fill tool. It is called fill tool. So in the fill tool, you will see a place where you can easily choose two colors. So here, if you click on fountain fill dialog, let's see what is there. Okay, you see it says changing, that is I did not click on anything. So click on this place, and then I'm going to click on that again. Can you see? So let me take it back again for those who are new to CorelDraw. I'll click on this, and then I come to this place, fill tool, and the name is, I click on that arrow down, fountain fill dialog, and the shortcut is F11. Now can you see here you can equally choose two color. Here you see two color and custom. So I choose on two color, and then from you can equally choose anyone here. So I choose this blue purple, and then I choose something like, let me choose black. Now see something here, so I'm okay with this. You can change the midpoint, you can come here depending on the size that you want. So what I actually need is this, make sure you get your color combination right. So I have a mixture of two colors here on CorelDraw. So the next thing is to get a picture. You can equally go to this YouTube channel, search the previous video on how you can easily remove background from a particular picture. It's very simple. Check out the tutorial. So I have a picture here that I've already removed the background, so I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here. You see, so here is the picture. The background has been successfully removed, and then I'm going to make it small. And then in order to make it small, because of the background, I can easily use crop tool, shape tool rather, to just reduce this place, because the background is no longer there, so you won't really know what is happening here. So that I can actually make it bigger. See, and then if you want to drop this tool, just click on this pick tool, drop it back. You see it has been highlighted. So I want to make this one big enough. You see, this is so wonderful, a great design. So depending on your taste, I love it like this, so I need to input my text. So I want to use this one for my second YouTube channel, where I teach people how to do some basic stuff. So you click on text tool, and the shortcut is F8, and then you type the titles. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how you can craft in a new title. For today, I'm going to type how to download YouTube videos. Can you see how to download YouTube videos? Now what I'm going to do is I can just press stuff like this, press enter, and then drop your tool, and then you begin the editing. Then Ctrl E for centralizing, and then I'm going to make this one big. You see that something is getting more beautiful. So now let me change the font, everything to white first, and then I want to change the font. Very important. So I click on it and I come to this place. This is where to change the font. So there are a lot of fonts on CorelDraw, and you can equally, input another font depending on what you need. So I'm going to make this one big too. How to download YouTube video, and this video actually has been generating a lot of traffic to my channel, and then I love it. So yeah, you can change the color to something like this. You can change it to this. You can change it to, you can use blue because it's not going to come out. It's either you use a white and then you use any other one like this. So I'm happy with this white, and then I can easily move this one outside here. So I'm okay with this. Beautiful design and simple. You see, this tumbling is actually talking about surprise, because the person is surprised that wow, I'm able to I will be able to know all this. So once you are true and you are actually satisfied with this, then you need to export, and then you remember you have to save by Ctrl S. So if you want to export on CorelDraw, you firstly align this, and then you press Ctrl E. So once you press Ctrl E, then you can name it as YouTube thumbnail. So I name it, I click on export. Then you have to convert it to bitmap, leave it to 20011135, and then you click on OK, and then it's going to start the process. And then I still have to confirm again, and then I click on OK. Boom. Then if I actually go back to my system, then in order to view the picture, it will surely be there. So if you are actually new to this YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel. I teach you how you can do some basic stuff using your phone, and then using your laptop, using your system. So I'm going to open the picture here, and then this is it. And also our next video is going to explain to you how you can upload YouTube tumbling into your YouTube channel. If you love this content, like and then you subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.